we're going to investigate the reactions between acids and metal oxides, and also metal hydroxides. When an acid reacts with a metal oxide or a metal hydroxide, a salt and water is produced. If we react hydrochloric acid with a metal oxide or hydroxide, a chloride and water is produced. Let's take a closer look. So hydrochloric acid is added to copper oxide, producing copper chloride and water. But another reaction might be when hydrochloric acid is added to potassium hydroxide, making potassium chloride and water. When sulfuric acid is used instead of hydrochloric acid, copper oxide would change to copper sulfate and water, whilst potassium hydroxide would change to potassium sulfate and water. Nitric acid also reacts with metal oxides and hydroxides. It will produce metal nitrates and water. Let's look at some reactions with nitric acid. Let's react nitric acid with magnesium oxide to produce magnesium nitrate and water. Whilst reacting nitric acid with calcium hydroxide, calcium nitrate and water are the products. Try to remember these combinations. You can use an indicator to show that the reaction has produced a neutral salt and water. Universal indicator is perhaps the most effective, as it changes from red through orange and yellow, and finishes at green when the reaction is complete. So in summary, acid plus metal oxide or hydroxide makes salt and water. Hydrochloric acid will react with metal oxides or hydroxides to produce chlorides and water. Sulfuric acid will react with metal oxides or hydroxides to produce sulfates or hydrogen sulfates and water. Nitric acid will react with metal oxides or hydroxides to produce nitrates and water.